Okay, I'm gonna go on a limb and say that if you're watching this, you're probably interested in pursuing a marketing career, for God knows what reason. Or maybe you're just interested in the field. Maybe you're an entrepreneur who could use some marketing magic to grow your business. Whatever it is, great marketers have an ace in the hole. Hold on, scratch that. Great marketers are aces of all trades. They have specific skills and traits that truly make them excel in the marketing world. And today, I'm gonna give you my top 4. Now look, this is only my opinion and I'm no David Ogilvy, but I've been around the block. My hope is that if you see yourself reflected in most of these traits, then you'll have a pretty good chance at succeeding as a marketer. So let's get right to them. Number 1, creativeness. What exactly is creativity? Okay, true story. Back in school, I thought of myself as the most boring kid around. Couldn't even draw an original character if you ask me. In fact, if you did, I would probably copy something I watched on TV. Who would have thought that creativity is essentially that? Being a thief. A great one, to be exact. There's nothing entirely original in this world. Everything is an iteration, and understanding that fact will change your perspective on creativity. The fact is, you only need to take what already exists and make it different. Better, if at all possible. Nowadays, that's precisely what I'm up to most of the time. Analyzing the market for ideas that worked before and giving them some twists that will hopefully make them better. But let me know in the comments if you agree with that. Number 2, analytical skills. Look, there are people who believe that everything happens for a reason, and are content to leave it at that. If that's you, then the game is pretty much lost. To be a great marketer, you must go deeper, into the nitty-gritty of why did the dominoes fall into place just the way they did. My best guess is that this is an innate trait. You either got it or don't. The important thing to remember is that all great marketers do. Number 3, curiosity. Boy oh boy, could you tell me what happened to the cat? I tell you what, curiosity didn't kill it. It actually made him stronger. Or at least that's how it works for us marketers. Curiosity takes many shapes and forms around our lives. Sometimes it means to read a book about our industry. Others to talk about movies and why the sun is looking weird today. It's peculiar, but curiosity is more of a power source for great marketers. It keeps our brains energized, full of ideas, and clear of the mundane nature of our work. Maybe if you're working on a specific project for too long, you'll want to kill yourself. So, being curious helps to bring new ideas to the surface and keep them fresh. Number 4, and finally, boldness. And I know you don't hear this too often, but great marketers hold their ground and take risky positions. Great ideas are not always socially acceptable. In fact, they can be pretty disruptive. So great marketers lead with them. They not only convince their audience, but also their teams to rally behind them. It's not always easy, and it can be a risky endeavor, especially as new ideas can fail often as they tend to succeed. But in the end, their bold statements and positions can move the world forward, and it's definitely a trait that needs to be trained and refined with time. Leaders are born as much as they are made, in my opinion. And there you have it. My take on what traits you'll need to succeed within the marketing game. If you identified with most of these, then you're probably in the right place. To me, applying our strengths is the ultimate way to find success in our fields of labor. So, don't sweat it. It's likely you'll find the right pieces to what makes you truly an asset. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for a mentor to aid you on your way to business growth, head over to Micromentor.org. And don't forget to click that subscribe button so we'll be seeing each other soon.